Welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Alexis Hope. If you're new, if you're true, what's good? This is totally not how I wanted to start my vlog off. I wanted to start off the vlog like with a slow ass morning, but you know what? Here we are. So I had a call last night and I was at work, the job that I'm not really a fan of, but you know, I got bills to pay. So I didn't return the call until this morning. It was actually around 2 yesterday when I received the call. I returned the call this morning when I got up a little bit after 9. It was for a job interview. Tell me what, I got a job, y'all. Oh, and it's a job that actually pays well and there's room for advancement. And I had a whole thing. I was going to go to the gym. I was going to go to the pool. We still going to do that, but I just came back from my job interview. It's like 12:30 and like she loved me. Like I even put on my professional shirt and I got some khakis on, baby. Oh, and I saw the person who was getting interviewed after me. She came in yoga pants. First impressions really matter, you guys. I promise you. But if you just want to take a moment to subscribe to your girl, because I know I've been a little lax here and there when it comes to the vlogs, but you know what? We back, baby, because I am so stoked. I have a new job coming up. She's going to send me the information. Oh my goodness. Like I don't even know how to feel right now. I really do not. Like I'm at my mom's house. Girl, we got a lot to do. We got a lot to do today, okay? So stay tuned. Let's get into it. Right now, I'm at Walmart. I'm about to go in and get a few things. So I'm gonna make Kirah Omiqiue's overnight oats. Now, I used to have overnight oats. I used to make them, but I got to the point where they were just gross. So I'm going to try them her way, see if I like them. I have oats at home, but I want something specifically that says overnight oats. So I'm here at Walmart. I got everything but that. I need to pick up some sunscreen as well. I get heat rashes pretty bad. And the last time I was out at the pool in the sun was like 2-3 weeks ago, and I'm still kind of burnt. And that's because little did I realize the sunscreen that I have expired like 3 years ago. So we're gonna pick up some sunscreen. We're gonna pick up that. I also need to get some almond milk. I'm completely out, and I've been using milk with my milk, with my coffee, and milk. It has a weird taste. So I need to get what I know I like and what I'm gonna stick to. So we're gonna go in here, pick up those things. I also need to pick up my medication as well. And right now it's 1:40, so there's 20 minutes before the pharmacy opens back up. We got a lot of walking around to do. Filming on my phone because it's just so much easier since I don't have my camera. But just picking up a couple of things. Nothing extravagant. I have my whole list because I'm a list person. So we're gonna pick up that stuff and head back to my house, which is like 30 minutes away. Okay, it's of course a little bit later, so I had to do everything that I needed to do for my job. I had to go and do my drug test. I had to do my background checks, so that put me behind on a lot of things. But one thing that I do need to get out of the way is making this overnight oats. morning. It is super early in the morning to me. It's like 7 something. So I'm going to go over to the gym. I'm going to first eat the overnight oats that we made last night. So let's see what we got. So this is what it looks like. Let's see. Flavor is nice. Flavor is really nice. It's cold. I'm definitely let this sit out. And I'm gonna drink my pre-workout. Mix my pre-workout, my creatine. Try and Peach Perfect. That's gonna be my new creatine. And put my watch on and head over to the gym. Hopefully nobody's over there staring at me. Ready for work, and I'm actually like an hour late because I don't know if I did too much in the gym, and I forgot my tripod, so I wasn't able to really film all that. But I don't know if I did too much, if I walked too much or what. But my fibroid, which is the size is 7 centimeters, so what is that, like a peach or something, it started to hurt like bad to the point where I had to lay down. So I gotta go to work. I still got to figure out how to tell these people that they're not going to see me much longer. So I'm going to go to work. I am still going to come back here, and I'm going to go to the pool. School is out. School got out yesterday. I did not realize that. I did not know that. Pray for me as I go to the pool, okay? Because I know it's going to be jam-packed, but I pay too much money here to not enjoy all of the amenities, okay? So we're gonna go to the pool when I get off work, which will be in like 6 hours, 7 hours. So I will see you guys then. Editing, Alexis here. So I realized I never did an ending, nor did I ever get to the pool. It's like I completely forgot how to vlog. But so a couple of days later, I'm sick because I work at a job that is disgusting. Like, people hand me dirty money. I'm talking about like contractors, roofers who have been working out in the sun, money just marinating in sweat, and they hand it to me, and I can't go wash my hands because there's like 50 of them. So I'm sick, and I'm glad I don't have to put up with this for much longer because I'm not about that life. My immune system is not built for this. But I apologize for not having an ending. It's like I forgot how to vlog. But yeah, I just wanted to pop in, say I appreciate you guys for watching. I know that this vlog was kind of weird and all over the place, but it's like I forgot how to vlog, honestly. But thank you so much for watching and tuning in. And of course, we're going to be back with more once I feel a hell of a lot better.